Ready for more space and better surroundings? Plant your roots at McConnell Trails, a Ryan Homes community designed with family in mind. Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Angie. If you're looking for a change in scenery, look no further than McConnell Trails, where Ryan Homes' wide variety of floor plans and secluded home sites provide a living experience unlike any other.
Take our gourmet kitchens, where our oversized islands, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances come standard.
Open floor plans provide the perfect setting for your family to come together while still spreading out.
The focus is on flexibility in our single-family homes, with options for a main-level owner suite or in-home office.
For even more space, choose an optional recreation room in the lower level, or consider our Calvert carriage home, which features main-level living with a low-maintenance lifestyle.
If you're looking to simplify, select one of our 3-bedroom townhomes, where lawn care and snow removal are included. Just minutes from Route 19 and I-79, McConnell Trails makes commuting into downtown Pittsburgh convenient too.
Located in the Cannon-McMillan School District, McConnell Trails is perfect for families. And with direct access to running and biking on the Montour Trail, plus nearby South Point Country Club and Topgolf, getting outside has never been easier.
Give us a call or schedule your visit on our website. We can't wait to show you everything McConnell Trails has to offer.